Hi guys, welcome to my automated jollof rice cooker projects which I built using TIE Porter. My name is Chidi and I'll be walking you through the ladder logic, showing you how each network functions. So for network 1 and network 2, this is the start of the cooking cycle. Once the start button is pressed, the water nozzle is activated for 20 seconds and the main heating element also turns on and stays on until the frying phase begins. So in our network 3, this is where the first ingredient like the seasoning cube is introduced into the cooking area. So the system triggers ingredient 1 nozzle and this nozzle is active for 11 seconds using a pause timer. So we've made sure of this by using a pause timer which has a preset time of 11 seconds. So in our network 4, this is where the second ingredient like the stew mix is introduced to the main cooking area, and we have used an on delay timer which is activated by the done beat of the countdown ingredient 1 timer which we got from network 3. And also in our network 5, this is the frying phase. This is where the frying phase begins, when you have to fry the proteins. So at this stage the rice cooker turns off and the frying oven turns on. Quickly in network 6, this is where oil enters to the frying pan. As you can see, this ground oil becomes active at this stage and oil enters into the frying pan. And in our network 7, this is where the food is ready and vending starts and the customer becomes happy. So and there is an alarm which displays food is ready and the vending buttons becomes active. Also in our network 8 is basically where the counter and up counter operation happens. The first cycle is done and the counter automatically increases per cycle. The counter is programmed to count 10 cycles, after which the start button deactivates and the system enters cleaning mode. So once this operation is done or this program is used by 10 customers, maybe the machine has dispensed food 10 times, automatic, and this count-off timer increases to 10. The machine start button deactivates to ensure that no customer uses this machine anymore until the system cleaning mode is done. So this is the basic program which I have put together, and this project demonstrates the practical application of timers and counter in a real world scenario, from timed water and ingredient dispersing to sequential frying and vending. And at each phase it is controlled with precise logic, just like an industrial automation system. Thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more automation. My name is Chidi once more. Do have a blessed time.